All right. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Repeat it with me, everybody. Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash. We got to manifest it. We got to believe it. Interesting move this morning so far, actually. You see both the ES and the NASDAQ this morning kind of just going straight up into open here. After that big kind of sell-off yesterday, we're bouncing back. The end of the world is not, maybe it's not the end of the world yet. The Bears gonna get screwed one more time. It would be really funny. It would be really, really funny if we somehow get all the way back up to yesterday's highs and then go higher. That would kind of be fucking hilarious. I mean, that's about a 200-point move from where we're at, but it would be pretty fucking funny. Right? I would laugh. I wouldn't even care if I made money or not. I would just kind of laugh at the fact that it would be funny. So right now you can see here on the 15-minute chart on the NASDAQ. This morning bouncing off the VWAP there early, 1:30 this morning. Where was I at? Oh yeah, I was sleeping. I need an alert. I need when I'm sleeping, if the VWAP gets touched, I need to get a little alarm go off. My new thing, VWAP alarm. That's what I need. The VWAP alarm. So it'd be cool. Be cool to see maybe. Anybody want to design that? The VWAP alarm. It goes off whenever the VWAP gets touched, even when I'm sleeping. So nice move so far this morning on the NASDAQ, kind of putting in those higher lows, just grinding higher up there through this pivot point at the 687 level, 688 pivot point there. So really kind of the next level looking at here, I would say if we get through this 720s, you got this level up here, that 775 area, 780 level. So we'll see how she goes today. Maybe this is just a pop before the next leg lower here today. It is Friday. You never know. Fridays get wild, man. And look at the ES. The ES still just it's all going straight up, and there's not even numbers. Maybe it's because of the Bank of Canada numbers this morning. I don't know. There was no data this morning, so I'm not sure why we're getting this move straight up like this, but not mad about it. Hopefully get some good volatility today, make some money. Fresh Cash Friday. Big news today as well. Topstep. I don't know if you guys saw. You probably saw, but Topstep coming out with big news today. I think this is actually kind of insane news because, for the longest time, one of the big problems or the hard parts with Topstep for getting through step 2 and then now getting through, the one step is the consistency rule. But now with the 50% consistency rule is pretty fair, right? That's pretty fair, to be honest. You got to say yeah, that's not, yeah. You can't really complain about that rule because it's kind of hey, you got to at least prove that you can, you can do it 2 days in a row kind of thing. So I do think that's going to be pretty cool. So basically the way it works right now is you can see here the new rule that your best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. I started this little combine. I've been just kind of playing around with combines, and look at this thing. No reset on this one so far. Everybody always says, Patrick, you can never pass a combine without a reset. Well, I'm only about fucking what? $1,500 away from passing this without a reset. We'll see if we can get it there. So worst day so far, $2,400. Best day, $2,500. But the problem was that was because of the 50. That was when there was a 30% consistency rule. You couldn't go over 30%. So now with the best day 50% rule, that's pretty fucking sick. So we'll see how it plays out. And yeah, let's go. I only need $1,500 more to get through that combine account there. The combines are so cheap right now that I've literally just been, that's a good little stat as well. My average winning trade, 1,400. My average losing trade, 379. Risk to reward, baby, right there. Almost 4 to 1. Pretty good risk to reward. Like I always say, you don't need fucking home run trades to get rich. You just need consistency, my friends. So that's a 150,000 Topstep account. But the big news today is that your best day is now allowed to basically be 50%. So in theory, like, you know, just throwing it out there, not that you have to, but you could now get funded in a minimum of 2 days. You could make $4,500 on Monday, make $4,500 on Tuesday, and you would be funded. Now, it's obviously going to be difficult. I wouldn't say that you have to try to do that, but here's a nice thing about it, right? Let's say first day of the combine, the market's going straight up. You don't have to feel like you don't, like, you know, that you can only make $2,700. So before it was $2,700 total on the $150,000 account because of the 30% rule. But now you can basically make $4,500. So I think it gives traders a little bit more, you know, wiggle room. That way you don't have to feel like you have to like cut off a winner if you're, you know, sitting there trading. So that's the big news. Topstep, 50% consistency rule. It's happening. You got the deals going on right now as well. So if you guys want to learn more, check out Topstep. I think the pricing right now, like I said, it's like 70% off. So this is, I started this, on July 18th. So the first day, 2,400, second day, 2,500, and then yesterday, 2,400 there. And then we only need $1,500 more to go. No resets on this account. Everybody always says, but I'm not gonna do it now. But the funny part is I would have already probably passed because I easily could have made more money on all of these days before. So that's a nice thing. It was kind of a minimum of 4 days, and now it's basically a minimum of 2 days. So you can basically get into a Topstep account, pass it in 2 days, you know, like minimum. You don't have to do it in 2 days. Like that's the thing. Think about this. Like you don't have to do anything. But if you're like a crazy, like if you think you're crazy and you want to go for it, you could pass it in 2 days. You can then get into the express funded account the next day. You take 5 days of profit, $200 or more, and then you get a payout. So for literally $150 for the Topstep account, right? You could literally get through it and then basically take a payout in 7 days. 7 days payout. 7 days. And like I said, the $150,000 account is $149. So within 7 days, you could basically, I don't know, pay yourself $5,000, $10,000, whatever. I mean, because it used to be, I think, a minimum of like 14 days, right? Before, I think it was, right? So I don't know. We'll see. But it's definitely like, yeah, 7 days, not bad. And like I said, you can't really complain about the 50% rule. Like that's pretty fair. Like you got to at least prove that you can make profit 2 days in a row, you know, at least. So not in a row, but in general, 2 days. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, people always like complain about like, oh, I want to trade in a live account. But the express funded account, I would say being in the express funded account is better than being in the live account. You know? Well, like, who cares if it's live or what? As long as you get paid out, that's all I care about. If I can take money out of the market, I really don't give a fuck. If I'm getting paid, that's all that matters, baby. The 50% rule applies to new accounts, old accounts, all accounts. So that's just across the board. If you have a Topstep account, don't worry. It will, they should lower the profit target. 9K, come on. There's 3 different accounts. You can sign up for the $50,000 account. It's a 3K profit target. $9,000 trading 15 contracts is like, you know, like, that's not fucking rocket science. Like, this happened today. This is the news this morning. Yeah, so I don't, like, how can you complain about a $9,000 profit target trading in with 15 contracts? I mean, you could literally make $9,000 in about 5 minutes. You can make 50 fucking, well, 10 grand in about 5 minutes. Or you can also lose 10 grand in 5 minutes, by the way. Yay. Obviously, this is not. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. We're here to make money, but hey, there's also a big chance of losing money as well. 90% of day traders lose, so let's be careful out there, my friends. It is Fresh Cash Friday. We're trying to make money, not lose money. So let's do it. All right. Let's stay in it today. Let's hit that like button first off. We got to get some likes. We got to get some love on the stream. Drin D, long time no see. Where the fuck you been? I've been here every day for like the last fucking year. Where the fuck you been? I'm going to be going until probably like 11:30, maybe noon. We'll see. If I make a ton of money at the open and it's easy peasy mac and cheesy, well, then I might just walk right away. Any lake plans this weekend? Yeah, I'll probably go out on the boat tomorrow. Go a little wake surfing, a little wake foiling. What's the difference with a live or express funded? So express funded, basically you're trading through a simulator, but you get paid out. You get to keep the first $10,000 profit. And then once they see that you're, you know, killing it, they move you into the live account. ZN, help me, Pat. The market is squeezing. What should I do? Wait for the market to open? That's what I'm doing. We got about 9 minutes here till the market opens. We know there's always a good setup to come. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, I think we're a little overextended here on the 15-minute chart. I wouldn't mind a little pullback here at open. Or, you know, if a lot of volume comes in here at open and we squeeze, we get over this 20 level. If we can get over 20 on the NASDAQ, I think you got a really good possibility of kind of squeezing straight up there. You saw that on yesterday. We basically just dropped right through this level from the 75s down there to the 20s on a 15-minute candle. So I don't think it would be that hard to basically get right back up into that 70 level if the bulls come in and squeeze here. So, you know, in terms of like structure wise, you know, you see when you see a big 15-minute candle just drop straight down like that, you don't feel like there's a lot of, you know, a lot of resistance inside of this level, but you're going to get a lot of resistance up here at the 70s because you can see we got stuck there. That's basically the way I'm looking at it. So we got kind of that double top there, 15-minute chart, we rolled off. So if we do start squeezing, there's a very good chance that we kind of push right back up in there into this 70 level. So we've seen that happen before. We are gapping up today on the ETFs. So right now, the QQQ, we do have a gap to the downside. But, you know, in this boom, I think we're still like, everybody got, you know, we had one red day yesterday. Everybody started freaking out about a bear market again. But it's like, you know, you're going to get pullbacks. You got to remember, buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high. It's that simple. So pullbacks are very normal. It's going to happen. It's good for the market. It's good to have red days, good to have green days. The problem is you got to get worried if we're going straight up, just consistently up, then you get worried, right? Then I'm like, uh-oh. But, you know, a bull market, you want those pullbacks. You want to find support. You want to bounce. You want things to you know, build structure. You don't want to just keep going straight up forever. So we'll see how this plays out today. I don't have to predict it right now. You can see the ES is stuck here at this level. So the ES is kind of already into a resistance level. The NASDAQ also right there at that resistance level. The ES really kind of not much. There's not as much. I would say if the ES can get above that kind of 4,600 level, then, you know, it shouldn't be. Yeah, like through that 95 on the ES, it should kind of get up in that 4,600 level pretty quickly. But again, you know, 15-minute chart, obviously we're looking a little overextended. But we know how it goes. Futures, the market opens, it rips fucking 20 points. It happens all the time. Like, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it can't go higher. Right now, we're consolidating at that pivot point. So if the ES gets through this area here, I would say 87 to 95, well, then that pivot point 609 up there is sitting there looking pretty. So I would like to see a little pullback here at open, show that the bears are getting tired, getting exhausted. What I would not want to see is just like a straight drop at open, and we don't want to lose that VWAP, obviously. That's about a 10-point drop down there to the VWAP, and we obviously want to keep that VWAP as support here because we've been holding that. If we get below VWAP, well, then it's probably we're going downtown. Yesterday's low there at the 560s. So like always, the VWAP, very important, you know. Don't fight the VWAP, my friends. Elizabeth, Topstep dashboard shows my results from yesterday, but today's trader isn't updated. No problems for me. You can do the old chat with Topstep. Not sure why. Saw a couple people seeing that, so we'll see how it goes. Like I said, this nice and easy. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We're gonna jump in on the action that we see. We're gonna trade. We're gonna make money, and that's all we got to do. We don't need to really do anything other than that, to be honest. Like, just nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. Money, money, make money, money. So yeah, I think on the NASDAQ, if I'm looking to get bullish here at open, I want to see this kind of just go straight through that 20 area, find some bulls to push, and then for the NASDAQ, you're looking at that 70 area up there. So that's about a 50-point move off of that 20 break. So right now, I would like I said, like to see a little bit of a pullback, put in a higher low here, maybe this 80 level would be a nice kind of higher low area. Keep this formation going, keep this trend line going right here. Kind of keep this thing going. All right, that's not a bad idea for the bulls. Or, you know, we just go straight up. We'll find out. We will find out. Pretty nice little move, though, off the 40s up there to the 70s. About a 60-point move there from 745. I'm not sure why, other than maybe just this trend line. But I didn't see any news or anything that really warranted this type of move here. But hey, it's happening. It's happening, baby. All right, all right. We got that pivot point there at the 88s. If we can test that pivot point there, let's test that pivot point. What do you guys think? Test the pivot point. The consistency rule is 50% now for Topstep. %50 consistency rule now. Ooh, do a little poll, up or down. Let's see. Up or down at open. What we got? What we got? There is no scaling rule in the combine. Guys, it's 50%. Why do, like, how do people not understand? 50% consistency rule for Topstep. Okay, it's very clear. If you have to make $9,000, that allows you to make $4,500 in 2 days and then get funded. It's 50%. Very clear. Let's not waste all morning long trying to talk about this. It's very simple. 50%. All right? Just don't make more than 50% profit in 1 day. That's all you got to do. Relax. God. Is it 50% or is it 30%? It's 50%. It's not 30. Stop. What do you mean, Antho? Like, where the fuck you said Topstep tells me 30%? It's not. Like, where did Topstep tell you? It's written 30%. Where? Where is it written 30%? Oh my God. I'm telling you, I am Patrick Wieland. I am Patrick fucking Wieland. I am the #1 Topstep fucking information person on the internet. And I'm telling you right now, it is 50%. All right? It is 50%. It might be written 30%, but I don't give a fuck. It is 50%. Patrick Wieland has told you. Patrick Wieland has spoken. Patrick Wieland has spoken. Oh, God. Y'all should have got an email this morning as well. Did you not get an email? Nobody got an email? I knew about the 50% deal last night. I was the first person to know about it. All right. Let's go. We got 30 seconds here till the market opens. Let's forget about the 50%. Let's worry about fucking making money. All right. Let's get to making the money. Hey, the great part is, like, most people that are watching are going to end up losing anyway. So why do y'all care about the 50%? Because you're going to fucking lose money. So let's just worry about trading. The people asking about the consistency rule are the ones that are going to lose money either way. So I don't know why the fuck's it matter. Let's just make some money, all right? Let's stop worrying about the fucking consistency rule. Here we go. The market is open, baby. It's time. What was the poll? The poll was 50%. So it looks like 50% of you were wrong. 50% poll, 50% consistency rule. Whoa. It's fucking Inception. All right, the NASDAQ down to that trend line now. Down to the trend line here. Where do we go next? Ba-dum-bum. Just being patient, my friends. No rush, no rush, no rush. Money is made easily, not hardly. Don't make money hard. Make it easy. We got that trend line there at the 60s. Do we bounce here off this kind of 80 area? This is exactly what we were looking for. We definitely don't want to get too deep down here. But I do like this pullback right now. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on this pullback here. We're going straight down right now. So 50% of you were wrong that picked up. And 50% of you were right. It's funny though, because 51% said up, 49% said down. So even though the majority was very small, it was still, the majority was wrong. It's fucking hilarious, actually. Oh my God. It's pretty funny. If you think about it, like that's a very small percentage difference between people picked up and down, but the very small percentage clearly still was wrong. Or right. Or wrong. I don't know. Something about that. The ES now down to the VWAP. All right. This is going to be that key area. We don't want to lose this VWAP support. All right. Let's get that VWAP support bounce here. All right. It's working here on the ES right now. The NASDAQ got a little, didn't get all the way down there to the VWAP, but it should. See if it can hold this trend line now. Old VWAP touch. Just being patient. I have not taken any trades yet. I have not taken any trades. Just let it do its thing. I want to make easy money with my leopard t-shirt. I didn't get dressed up like this to fucking work hard. I got dressed up like this to work easy, baby. All right, the NASDAQ still bouncing off this trend line for now. Still very up and down here. Not very clear on the Bookmap which way we're going to go just yet. I got no rush here, no rush. The ES is holding there at the VWAP for now, so let's see how this plays. Let's see how she plays, baby. Jumping in here long. Up. Oh, my. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I tried. I literally pressed buy. I set my target, and it took me out before I could even switch the screen. I swear to God. I couldn't even. I swear to God. I literally got long 78, put my target 93, and it just took me right out. I couldn't even show you the fucking profit. It happened that quickly. How fast was that? Let me look. How fast was that? That was 16 seconds. Couldn't even fucking do it if I tried. People were like, but Patrick, you never tell me when to buy. Well, there's our bounce. Let's see what happens here now. To get through this 720 area next, go straight up. Got to get through 720s here. Looking for this 720 break to go strong, and then we get excited maybe. We bounced right off that trend line, just like we talked about pre-market now, up there to the 710, 720s. If we go through 720, I think the bulls will take this higher. She wants to go higher, 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 higher. Gotta sing to her sometimes. Get her excited. Come on, little NASDAQ. Go through the 720s here. Through the 720s. Up there to the 15s again. She wants it. She needs it. She wants some more of it. I try so hard. I can't rise above it. Don't know what I do with my little NASDAQ baby. I like her. I love her. I want some more of her. All right, just watching for this 720 break, baby. We're watching 720 breaks. 720 breaks here. 720 breaks. 720 breaks. Little bull flag kind of forming up here. The ES bounced right off the VWAP. The VWAP. The VWAP. Little pullback here, 701s. And we squeeze up there through the 720s next. Let's do it right here, right now. Try to push up there. Needs to go, go, go. I wanted to get through. I'm taking it out right there. I don't like it pulling back. I'm going to wait. Be patient here. Maybe we need a little bit longer of a pullback here. The ES still pushing up there. 82s right now. That was just a break-even trade in and out. Nice and easy. When it couldn't break, we get out. If I have a level that we can't break through and we don't break through it, I'm getting out. I'm not going to sit there and hold on to it. I don't need to be right. I just need to be making money. So good thing I got out when I did. We had trouble. We should have, on that candle right there, we should not have gotten denied. You know, if we were going to break through right there, we should have went right through that level. The ES is still holding up, so maybe the NASDAQ just needs a little bit more pullback here. You know? That was a beautiful move, though, off the fucking trend line this morning. Look at that thing. From the 60s up there to the 20s for 60 points. We bounced right off the VWAP there on the ES as well. And now we're, oof. Good read, Patrick. Good read. This is why I did not hold. I can't hold on to 15 contracts through a 30-point drawdown. I would have blown up right there. So that's why I did not try to hold on to that. That's why. That's why. That's why. Down there to the VWAP. Uh-oh. What happens here? What happens here? I try so hard. I can't rise above it. Don't know what I do without my little lucky. NASDAQ. My NASDAQ. All right. VWAP. 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 Do they bounce it off the VWAP here? We're having trouble. Wait for these candles to close. Nice and easy, my friends. Nice and easy here. Still holding there at the VWAP for now. All right, all right. I already worked with the Iron Beam back in the day, so they're probably just running ads, trying to get some of my customers on the #1 day trading channel. You know, if you're gonna run an ad, who are you gonna run an ad on? You're gonna run an ad on my fucking channel. Who do you want to be a part? Who do you want to be promoting on? The guy that's fucking winning, baby, winning. If I had $1 for every time I'd be winning every fucking, I'd be a lot of winning. If I had $1 for every time I won, I'd be a millionaire. I think, right? Because I always be winning. All right. I want to see this VWAP area, active support, get back above this 80 area. If we get back above this 80 area, we should start to be like, and then see if we can't make this move. The ES is still holding up, so we got to get above this 80 area, and then we get excited, right? Right? Is that, I think, a good idea? Just being patient. We just don't want to load up just because we're sitting down there right now, the VWAP. Like, let the bulls prove that we're going to hold there first. You know what I mean? I think that's a good way to look at it. That's how I'm looking at it, at least. Let the bulls prove it. Looks like they're trying to prove it right now, so let's see. Let's get back over that 80 area, get some bounces off that 80 area for now. Got it for the bulls to try to come back in here. Where this candle closes at now. We're trying to get above the 80s here. There's liquidity at 80, 85s. So you can see it got stuck right there at the 80s for now. Like I said, just waiting. Let's get above that 80 area. Patience, my friends, patience. Back down there to the VWAP now. The ES, the VWAP, both the at NASDAQ and the ES bounce around here at the VWAP. You know what that will lead to? Look at that reversal. Oh my gosh. You guys see that thing just reverse off the VWAP right there? The bulls are going to the moon. Right up there to the 80s again. Do they push it straight through there now? Something going on there. 80 battleground here. It's an 80 battle. Still need to get that clear of that 80 level though. Something going on with that 80 level right now. Bears are sitting there at the 80s holding it down. We get through that 80, we go, baby. We go through the 80s here. At the 75s right now. I got to get through 80s. Need to push through 80, 75. Trouble at the 75s for now. And then I think 85 after that. So let's see. 75s. Battling here. There it goes. There she goes, trying to get through the 80s now. Can they go 85s, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85s? Baby Jesus. I don't know how is one man, like, I swear, I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx it, guys. I'm telling you, right now, me and the fucking NASDAQ, we have a relationship. It's a fucking, like, serious relationship, guys. Like, who else is doing it like this? I don't care what anyone says. Oh, ICT wrote the fucking algorithm. Get the fuck out of here. This is all live. What did I just tell you? We get through the 75s, we go to 85s, we go up. Are you kidding me? Where? There is nobody. There is nobody on the fucking internet that's doing this live. Nobody. Nobody. Absolutely nobody is on the fucking internet calling the market like this. We just had the most perfect call. 75 breaks. We go to 85. Now we're at 100. 700. The fuck out of here. JD, you did nothing. You didn't. I took a fucking... get the fuck out of here. Not even going to respond to these peasants anymore. I'm a god among men. I am a god among men. Bow down, peasants. Everybody who's going to talk shit from now on, that's just a way of you bowing down to me. That's all it is. And then everybody that's actually supporting the stream, you guys that are here really trying to make money, you're part of the team. All the haters are nothing more than just peasants bowing down, paying tribute. They're here watching my stream, hating, paying tribute to the god among men. God. The fuck out of here. He's too good. God, that was such a good read. All right. So now the ES, the damn ES is just not liking that VWAP right now. So little pullback here again. The ES looking weak. I can't read both. I can't fucking do both. You know, I got the ES, got the NASDAQ. Okay. I'm trying to, I can't be perfect, people. Oh. And now the ES gave up the VWAP, so the NASDAQ are right back down there now. Wowzers. Back down there to the VWAP again on the NASDAQ here. The ES just gave it all up. Just gave it all up there. Chop, chop city. All right, all right. All right, all right. Will they dump it down through the 60s next? I think so. 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 There it is, through the 50s. Ooh. Ooh. God. She going downtown. That's where the fun is. Oh, through the 60s, down there to the 40s, nice little 20-point drop. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. The guy's too good. He's too good. He's too good at this game. He's too fucking good at it. Too good. Too much money. Make too much money. Gonna get banned. Card counters. Banned. No more card counters allowed in the market. I'm out. They banned me for life. They fucking banned me, man. Oh, man. Fucking ban me. Them damn card counters are gonna ban me for life. I mean, imagine like telling your students or telling your fucking followers that you're like too good at trading, that's why you don't trade real money. Like, Duh. Duh. Guys, listen. I'm just too good. I make too much money. I don't want to pay too much taxes. So I don't trade real money. It doesn't, you know, like, why would I? I'm already so rich. I don't want to be any richer, okay? Like, I'm already a millionaire. Why would I want to be a multi-millionaire? That's stupid, right? Like, that's literally stupid. Like, why would I want to do that? That's stupid. Absolutely, that's stupid. Why would I want to do that? If I ever get to the point where I'm too fucking rich to make more money, put a bullet in my head. Somebody. Like, because you know I fucking lost my mind and I'm senile and I'm fucking, you know, I'm dead at that point. Like, if I ever get to the point where I'm like, guys, I'm no longer trying to make more money. I'm now just gonna just sit here and stare at the charts for the rest of my life. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, man. The NASDAQ, the ES through the VWAP here. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm in the place that you used to. If you guys haven't hit that like button, we got 435 likes. We gotta get more likes in the stream. If we don't get 800 likes in the next like 2 minutes, I'm fucking turning it off. Watch me. I'll just leave. I'll walk away. Dare me. Dare me, I won't. Dare me. You know I will. You fucking know I will. I'll turn this shit off right now. I make myself laugh sometimes. People always say, Patrick, you're so obnoxious. I can't stand you. And I'm like, well, sometimes I can't stand myself. But hey, if you can't make yourself laugh, how do you know, like, if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at? You know, let's be honest. You can't laugh at yourself. Who can you laugh at? If we break through this 40 level, we should get down there through the 30s next. So let's go. 34 is coming up there. Can we get through 30s? Got my stop right here, 46s. See if we can move down there into the 20s, actually. Then you get through this 30 level right here. Got a order at 28. 32. I'm gonna take it off right there. It's probably gonna go 28, but it's Friday. It's 28. Fuck me! Fuck me! God fucking fuck! Patrick, you little kook. 25s. God. I just don't want to make too much money and then get banned from the market, guys. That's all, you know? I just don't want to get banned from trading. Like, I like trading so much that, you know, if I'm too good, if I make too much money, they're gonna ban me. So I don't want to make too much, you know? That's all. I don't want to, you know. Look at that. Fucking went right down there into the 20s. God dang. God. My grandma's watching. She's just rolling her eyes right now. She might have the fucking the rosary out. Praying to Mother Mary, saying Hail Marys for me. Every time I curse, Hail Mary, full of grace. I can't even remember the fucking prayer anymore. I'm gonna buy a Rolex and then I'm gonna fucking light it on fire on YouTube. I am one day, I'm gonna for sure, like, one day I'm gonna buy a Lamborghini and I'm gonna drive it into a lake. Or what would be better? I'm gonna buy a Lambo and then I'm gonna give it to a homeless person. Just roll up, like, hey bro, free car. We didn't get 800 likes. I'm fucked. You got 1 more minute. We're going 800 likes or I'm out of here. I swear to God. We're at 712. Don't test me, people. Do not test me right now. I'll do it. I'll leave forever. Never come back. I'm gonna buy a Lambo and give it to a homeless person and put on the side fucking Lambo Raoul. Sponsored by Lambo Raoul. Looks like we're filling that gap here. Who would have thought? Gaps love to get filled. I'm still not sure who came up with that saying, but right now the QQQ dipping down there into this gap territory. 377.56. We closed yesterday down there at like 377. So little dipperoonie. I've already made too much money. I gotta stop making I gotta stop, guys. If I make any more money today, they're gonna ban me. I can't make any more trades. I don't want to make any more trades today. I don't want to get banned from the market forever. It's too much. If I make too much, yeah, it's fuck. It's a curse. Making too much money, being worried about getting banned. Ooh, buy a Lambo and then lift it. I like that idea. Lambo and Ice D are going to catch me at Chipotle. I would love to run into both of those people at the same time. Let's be honest. Michael's old and decrepit. I'm a young buck. I'm not worried about Michael. I am not worried about Michael. Trust me. I have no worries. Other than him maybe being a psychopath and trying to like murder me. But other than that, not worried. I still think she wants that gap fill. I think she wants it. We've got a little bit more to go on it. 377 being the gap fill for the QQQ here. We get through that 20 level. I think, yeah, well, not much really going on in the book map here. I don't see, the problem is I don't like that. Let me tell you why I don't like that. I want to see, what I want to see here, if I'm looking at the book map right now, like I want to see like a big chunk of liquidity sitting down here. Kind of like as a magnet. Right now, there's like, we just don't really have, like, look, there's not really like anything standing out. We're just like, this is just like basically telling me that there's a chance we're going to chop here. So what I would like, if I'm going to take a short, anytime I'm taking a short or a long, I want to see that there's like a chunk of liquidity sitting somewhere at my target. If that makes sense, you guys, you know what I mean? Like right now, look at this. It's just basically like, this is buyers and sellers going back and forth. There's no like big chunk of liquidity sitting at a level like waiting to get taken. Does that help you? People always ask me how I use the book map, but I think that's a really good way to look at it. Like right now, there's no real advantage here. See how they're just like, they're coming up, they're going down, they're just like adding liquidity both up and down here. So they're just basically, it's just telling me chop. So look, they're adding more liquidity to the downside, but it's still like, there's nothing sitting down here like out of the ordinary. So that tells me that there's just like no real, like there's not a real like draw here. So, cause like let's say if there was like a big chunk of liquidity sitting at 600 and it was like down there for a while, I'd be like, oh, this thing wants to take out that 600 liquidity. But right now, like see how look at that, just like right back up. It's just gonna chop here now. This is a great time to stay out of the markets, my friends. Hopefully this is helping you guys understand. People always are like confused on how I use the book map, but it's like earlier when we were looking for those moves up, we would have like a chunk of liquidity sitting above us. And then when we were looking for that move down, that short earlier that I took through the 20s or through the 30s, there was 20 liquidity was sitting there. So yeah, like right now, it's a gamble. It's 100% a gamble right now. There's no advantage to this trade. Dax Brown, $1,000 down on both accounts. How are you down $1,000 on both accounts? Paul Revere, you keep waking up late? Bro, I wake up literally, I jump out of bed fucking excited. How do you wake up late? How do you wake up late? What? I literally wake up early. I wake up before my alarm even goes off. My brain is literally, I dream about making money. I dream about waking up in the morning and fucking making money. Last night, I literally woke up and I was like, wait, it's only 3 o'clock in the morning. Fuck, I can't wake up yet. I have to like force myself to even wake up, to not wake up. I have to force myself to sit in bed. It's literally a fucking curse. All right, liquidity is looking a little better now. But yeah, see how they're like, watch that liquidity here. This is a good lesson for you guys. Watching that liquidity. See how all that liquidity was there? Now just like, it's still not really sitting. I want to see liquidity sitting and not moving up or down. Because this liquidity right now, you see, it's basically even. This is just algorithms. This is all this is. See how it's even? Like if you look, it's literally even liquidity. Up and down. There's no massive liquidity sitting above us or below us. You guys, hopefully you understand what I'm saying. And look, like even when we move down, watch, like they moved liquidity. It's equal. It's equal liquidity both ways. So yes, we're still moving down here, but it's not like clean. Well, I mean, it's fucking computers trading back and forth. That's all that is. When I say algos, I'm not saying it's the fucking ICT algo. I'm just saying that it's just computers. This is not retail traders sitting there putting orders, you know, 5 points higher, 5 points lower like this. Like, unless you're some high frequency trader, that's all this is right now. It's just fucking, and look at that. Now they're adding that liquidity. Look at that liquidity, 600. They're adding liquidity. We should test that 600 area now. See how it's just sitting there? It's blocked up now. Look, market's moving down. It's acting as a magnet here. Look at that. See how it's changing? Pulling the price down. Let's see if we test that 600 flat now. We should test 600 flat at least. Or possibly break through at 95s down there. Got that gap fill here on the QQQ 377 flat. So I think we'll test 600s here. It's interesting too, because remember how we were looking at the Bookmap, kind of that chop? Look at we were looking at the Bookmap while the market was doing this. And look at it through the 600s now. You guys are now, you're seeing the action live. This is all live. But you remember when we saw how that price action was just kind of going do. We saw that on the Bookmap. No real clear direction. And look what we just got. We had all that liquidity at 600. Where do we go? The gap on the ETF now is closed. We closed the gap from yesterday. So the gaps love to get filled. Again, I don't know who came up with that saying, but hey, it works. So through the 600s there, we have that liquidity. And see how this liquidity is sitting there at the 90s? How it's just sitting there. It's not going up and down. Now they're kind of moving up and down. But see how it's like sitting there a lot longer than earlier when it was kind of like this. When the liquidity looks like this, it's not too hot. When it's just like kind of real choppy, it's kind of just moving up, down, up, down, up, down. You can see like a very distinct difference. Like when they actually sit liquidity, there's that 90 break now. So if you zoom out here, look at like where these areas of liquidity were sitting at earlier. You can see these little areas where it's real, just like a solid line. The market kind of like moves down. Now you got 75s down there next. So earlier when we were kind of chopping, we didn't really have those like very distinct lines. Like here, this is that move earlier we were looking at through the 50s there. You see how that liquidity was just sitting there strong. Like look at how long it was there. For about 10 minutes. You see the difference here? This is at 9:30. That liquidity was sitting there for almost 20 minutes across the board there. Across the board, sitting there. And now, kind of chopped, consolidated. We move down there. Bookmap, baby. Who's passing the combine today? Let's go. And then ripped right back up. What was the low there? Got down there to a low of 78. Yo, explain how your numbers are at 15,540. Where does it say 15,540? Where are your numbers at? Jimmy Wynn passed his combine. The drill passed his combine. Me Futures passed combine. The Dent passed it. Martin Brits passed again. How many people are passing, baby? Let's go. Gary passed. Oh. All right, let's do this. Let's do a poll. How did you pass combine this week? Watching the live stream. All right, let's see how many people passed the combine this week. Do a little poll here. Ernesto passed second and third combine today. All right. Is there a scalp rule for Topstep? There's kind of like, you don't want to kind of trade over 200 contracts. 78% said you have not passed. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing over here? You should have passed today alone. You guys got to learn how to day trade. You got to learn how to trade, my friends. We got to start working on your trading skills. That's about right in line with the normal percentage of people that pass the combine anyway, which is, I think, 7 out of 9 people fail. So 22% out of 300 said they passed this week. 78% say they did not pass. Better than average. We're trying. We're trying to make people better. I think the big problem is people just don't listen to me. They do stupid shit. That's exactly what people do. They do stupid shit. And then I think what really the biggest problem with the live stream is that people, they don't take a trade until after they see that I'm in it. And then by the time I'm getting out of the trade, they buy. And then they end up chasing it and FOMOing because they get confirmation. You know, I think that's the big issue. Like, you guys, you cannot wait for me to tell you when to buy. You got to see these levels. You know, I had a trade earlier that was 16 seconds. Like, there's no, you can't copy that. You just can't do it. Even if I showed you my exact entry and my exit live on YouTube, I was in and out in 16 seconds. By the time you entered, I would be getting out. It won't work. I wish it would, but it won't. I want you guys to see these levels before it happens. You know, what we got? This morning, I had that big push off of that trend line. We talked about that push up there to the 720s. And then this move here. You know, saying literally over 75s. We go up, we squeeze again, 700. So you guys got to start seeing these moves before they happen. I can't hold your hand. I just can't do it. You're never going to learn how to day trade. We're just trying to follow me into trades. You won't be able to do it. I'm telling you right now. Please. Please. Todd Adams, I just have like some gaming computer. I don't know. Just bought some $3,000 gaming computer online. I'm using TradingView charts. Mad Cat Pat. Here is a vegetarian name. My name is also Patrick. Well, I would give you some advice on long-term stocks, but I'll give you the first advice you need to learn. Stop eating fucking rabbit food and start being a man. Do that, and then I'll give you more advice on life. And until then, I can't help you. It's just honest truth, bro. You're poisoning yourself eating plants. That's all you're doing. You're just fucking poisoning yourself. Your brain, your fucking testosterone. You're becoming a beta little bitch. Stop doing it. I'm trying to help you. I always wake up and choose violence, bro. Every fucking day, I choose to win. Win, 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 win. Everything else, win, 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 win. Do I trade the YM? I don't. Like, the reason I trade the NASDAQ and the ES is because I know how the NASDAQ and the ES move. Really, like, I have a relationship, right? Like, I'm in tune with the NASDAQ. I'm in tune with the ES. So for me to go trade the YM or trade something else, like, I don't need to. If I can make money every day trading the NASDAQ, trading the ES, like, why would I do anything else? You know, it's just, I got my two indexes and my two indexes, and that's all I need. I don't need to overcomplicate it. You know, like, that's all. That's all it comes down to. Don't overcomplicate it, guys. You don't need to fucking master every market. Just master one. Right? Like, just fucking become the master of one market and make money. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do, baby. Why does my things not turn on? Turn on? Where's the music at? Oh, God. Why are they not fucking coming up? Pay all this money for these fucking headphones and they don't even work. Smashing Pumpkins, baby, for a Fresh Cash Friday. I feel like this is a great shirt for some Smashing Pumpkins. All right, all right. So the NASDAQ pushing back up there. Kind of looks like they maybe ran this down. They didn't take it all. They didn't take all. Well, that was Thursday. So they took out the overnight low there. Kind of swept that overnight low. So possibly push it back up here now. What do you guys think? I don't think it's impossible. It's not impossible. Definitely like when they kind of sweep those lows like that. If you look here at the 15-minute chart. So we basically had kind of that overnight low here in this area. We swept that and look at that push back up. So we're kind of going up back in the middle of this range now. When would I get confident to go long again? Simple question, my friend. Once you get back above the VWAP. That easy, baby. Turn the VWAP into support. Fucking game over. Oh my God. Can't breathe. Fuck. If you didn't know, by the way, I'm also a tuba player. I play nose tuba. I'm the king of making noises, baby. My VWAP is just literally, everybody always asks me this, but it's literally just the basic ass VWAP, guys. There it is, VWAP. Go on TradingView, type in VWAP. There it is. Like, nothing special. Very simple. If I had $1 for every time somebody asked me what my VWAP settings were, I'd be a fucking millionaire also. Yeah, it'll be different from not really. Wait, what's the regular trading hour? It's out. If you go regular trading hours, 6:51. You can see how that gap got filled there beautifully on the regular trading hours as well. So if you go that, the VWAP right now is at 51 on the regular trading hours. It's at 46 on electronic rating so it's not really that much difference. So we pushed up there to the VWAP now. Nice little reversal off the bottom. Looking at like the 1 hour candle. We kind of swept those lows. I'd say if we get back over that kind of 50 level, well then could get exciting from there. We want to see this 1 hour candle staying nice and bullish. So pretty much you want to stay above 20 here on that 1 hour candle. That was a nice little reversal though there. Only 15 minutes into it so far, so we'll see how this plays out. You want to get above VWAP there at the 50s for now. Yeah, I don't know what magical VWAP you have, but mine's lower than that. Well, it's not magical. It's literally the most basic VWAP possible. It could not get any, I mean, it's literally, you go on TradingView, you type in VWAP. I don't change any of the settings. So. Well, obviously mine's the fucking correct one. Oh. Oh. All right. About 10:15 here. Like I said earlier, if I make all my money in the first fucking 30 minutes, I might just walk away. I don't know. It's just, I mean, what the fuck's the point in all this shit? What's the point in fucking killing it if you don't take advantage of it, you know? Know what I mean? Like, I'm not doing this to have a fucking 9-to-5 job. I'm doing this to make money and then fucking live my life, enjoy life. I want to live, baby. I want to fucking roam and wild. I want to be wild and free. Be out there in the world. Frafra. Guess what? You don't like my shirt? Well, get the fuck out. Anybody else don't like my shirt? I'll ban you as well. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? I get you. I got you. Come on. Who wants it? I'm in a mood right now to ban some people. Give me some more. What you want? What you want? What you want? Talk some more shit. Let's go. Who wants it? Who wants some more of this? 1, 2, boop. Undercut. Out of here. I'm excited for maybe one day. Maybe I can troll somebody long enough. Maybe another YouTuber. If I can troll another YouTuber day trader for enough, maybe possibly we could have a celebrity boxing match. I think that would really get a lot of views. Like imagine me and ICT boxing match. Oh, 20,000 views live. 20,000 viewers at one time. Yeah, this shirt, I don't even like to wear it. Look at those muscles. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Ooh, my shirts, I can't even get my, look at that. Oh, telling you, my muscles are getting bigger. I mean, you guys already know, if there's any YouTuber out there that wants to do a charity boxing match, I'm in. But you got to have at least like 100,000 followers. You can't be like some like, you know, you can't have 5 followers. Nobody wants to see that. We're not doing it for the sport. We're doing it for the views, baby. I want to see pay-per-views. Somebody asked, is it a short off of the VWAP? I don't think so. Because look at the ES right now. The ES back. I don't like how the ES is back above the VWAP here. So I'd be careful getting short on the NASDAQ here. right? ES above VWAP, NASDAQ stuck at the VWAP. You know what that sometimes, well, you know what happens next. If the ES starts pushing, well, guess where the NASDAQ's going to go? It's not going to be stuck underneath the VWAP for too long. And yeah, I mean, I think, see, the problem is, it's like, that was a pretty good reversal off that bottom move. I don't know. Just don't know if I want to get short right here yet. I don't like that we came all the way back up into this level right here. Like, I think if the bears were still in control here, we would have closed that 15-minute candle, you know, like down in here. Right? Like, if you look at that, like, if the bears were in control, we should have closed down here. We shouldn't have bounced fucking, you know, 50 points straight back up and then closed up here. So I don't really care. Like, even if the market goes down here, it doesn't really matter to me, because it still is not like a good setup for me. Oh, we did get the breakdown there, but I don't know. I'm not that worried. I see people in the chat that are calling for a short here, but hey, it's totally fine. We'll see how it plays out. Antonio said it's going to touch the low, or it could put in a higher low right here as well. So two ways to look at it. Everybody's got different opinions. That's why the market works the way it works. You know? Cause I need ya. Woohoo. Follow. I know people are on the chat. I told you so. I told you it's gonna go down. Hey, like I said, totally fine. Doesn't really bother me either way. Hey. Market back down here to the 600s. Let's see what happens here. 85 liquidity on the Bookmap sitting down there. About 54 contracts now. Follow. Everybody. Oh, man. The ES losing the VWAP there, so that's good for the bears on the NASDAQ, I'd say. And kind of holding up their 600s for now. On the Bookmap, liquidity down there in 95s. Looking dumpy here. Uh-oh. Will they get that 85 sweep again? $85 swept. Wowzers. See, now I'd be like, okay, it looks like a better short now, right? Like, it looks like a better short. Showing that weakness there. Just didn't like how conflicting the 15-minute chart was. Oh. The great thing is, here's the great thing about this though, right? It doesn't really matter either way. If we took a long or a short, guess what we didn't do? We didn't do anything, right? Like that's the best way to look at it. We didn't do anything. We didn't lose. Know what I mean? Like we didn't lose. So even though the market moved down, we didn't lose because we didn't get long because we were waiting for a break above the VWAP, and we didn't get short because we didn't like how that bounces back. So that's the great part about it. We didn't lose. We didn't do anything. We just waited and relaxed. So that's the best part, like literally the best part about it. At the end of the day, we didn't do anything. We just watched it. Right? Like that's confirmation that at least, you know, we were on the right side of the idea in terms of like just not taking a trade there. That's all it comes down to. So yeah, I mean, I'm literally chilling right now. On the day right now, I'm up, what, 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, 2,000, 2,000. Too much money. I can't even count it all in one hand. I'm like, what is that, 20 grand or something? 20 grand on a Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Get the fuck out of here. Down there are the 75s now. I think she's going to the 60s next. Look at all that liquidity. Look at the liquidity. You guys seeing the liquidity there? Look, 60s. 55. See how it's just sitting there acting as a magnet right now? Are you seeing this? I want you guys to see the examples of when liquidity acts as a magnet. And look at that price action. This is the difference between earlier when we were chopping and now with that liquidity at the 60s, we should take it out. 55 is down there next. Liquidity at 60, 55s, and 50 down there. So I salute you. 60 touched. 55, a lot of liquidity there at the 55s now. I mean, this can be shorts that are covering. This can be I mean, it's at the end of the day, it's buyers in general. That's all. It's buyers. They can be shorts that are covering. They can be people that are looking to get long. Two different ways to look at it. Adam, if you make all this money, why are you still in the express funded account with Topstep? Good question, Adam. Maybe I'm not in the express funded account. Maybe I'm somewhere else. Maybe I'm in the universe. Pokemon cards. Who knows? Maybe I don't even trade money. Maybe I'm from the future. Maybe this whole thing's pre-recorded. Maybe I trade in hindsight. Who knows? Really? I have no idea. I do have express funded accounts. Yes. Yes, I do. Maybe I'm not really even rich. Maybe I'm actually broke. Maybe the background behind me, I'm underneath the bridge right now. I'm homeless. Can you guys please donate to the stream? Thank you. Teflon Sean can't watch this crap. Oh, don't worry, bro. I got you. I help you out. No problem. Now you don't have to even comment on it. That's the great thing about it. Aaron F, not funny. Hey, you know what's not even funnier than Aaron F? You commenting. You're not funny. I get it. You're out of here. What other YouTube channel literally bans more people than... I think I've banned more people today than have subscribed. It's totally fine with me. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make fucking money. Literally here to make money. That's all I'm here to do. Talk shit all you want. Blah, blah, blah. You live in your mom's basement. I get it. Whatever. You're fucking meaningless to me. Remember, you coming here commenting anything at all, you're just bowing down. I'm sitting on the throne of greatness, and you're just a peasant bowing to my feet. Bow to my feet. I am wearing the leopard shirt. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. We're fucking winning. Bow down or get the fuck out. You don't like the shirt, Tokyo Golfer? You did say, you made one compliment, so I won't ban you. Michael, come on. I kind of like this right now. It's great to kind of weed out the bullshit. Patrick Wieland's the best trader on YouTube. ICT sucks. So let's see if anyone responds. I'm the best trader on YouTube. Tell me I'm not. Tell me I'm not the best trader on YouTube. Tell me I'm not the best. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Tell me. Tell me. Who wants it? Who wants it? Crickets. BT Mike never saw a live execution. Well, guess what? Now you don't get a comment about it ever again. Banned. Oh, God. Patrick never does a live trade on YouTube. I know. It's all fake, guys. I'm the worst trader on YouTube. I get it. I get it. The reason that you're here watching me right now is because you're a better trader than me. I know. Like, obviously, if I was a good trader, right? Like, if I was making a lot of money trading, what I would do is I would go on YouTube, right? And I would go on people's live streams and I would tell them that I'm a better day trader, right? Like, if I can make $10,000 a day trading, obviously I would go on YouTube and I would tell all the YouTubers that they're idiots and they suck and I'm better. Like, let's be honest. Like, come on. Like, think about that. If that's not the most moronic idea ever, what? You made $10,000 a day trading, you're the best day trader in the world, and afterwards you went on YouTube and went and commented on my YouTube stream? Let's be honest. The only people hating on my YouTube stream are fucking losers. It's that simple. Like, there's no way that you're someone who is winning is gonna waste their time to come over here and comment some stupid shit. You know? Just think about that. Like, people are like, yeah, but Patrick, you hate on other YouTubers. I'm like, yeah, but I'm a YouTuber. I'm getting the views. The reason I talk shit is because I get more views, make more money. You know, it's part of the game. But if I was just a normal dude who made $10,000 a day trading, the last thing I would do is make $10,000 and then go on YouTube, type in day trading live stream, and then go to somebody's live stream and be like, hey, you suck. You know, like it just makes no sense. The only people that hate are people that are just either insecure or they're just failing in general. I've never met a hater that's doing better than me. Think about that. I've never met a hater that's doing better than me. Never once. And I never will. I'm gonna actually start selling. This is actually a pretty expensive shirt. It's like a $400 t-shirt or $400 shirts on All Saints. Yeah, I'm Gucci like that. I'm kind of Gucci like that. But yeah, maybe I'll make it. I should make just a normal t-shirt, like not a silk one that has leopard print. I might do that. No, it's All Saints, not Gucci. The landscapers are here. I hear them out there blowing. killing the vibe right now. I'm here. I'm live streaming here. Get out of here. Why do they always come at 10 o'clock on Friday? Jonah, I appreciate you. I made Nutty Bar cry. Lambo Raul just can't even respond. ICT responded with the demo trade. It's game over. Just over and over wins. Just W, W, W. Who else is left? Put the board up. Put the board up. Put a W on the board. Put a W on the board. Put another W on the board. One more W. More W's. That was my favorite thing in the whole entire world when ICT literally went on TradingView and made a demo trade and then posted it on my Twitter to respond. Like, bro, you just played yourself. You literally just played yourself, Michael. Like, you absolutely, like, I'm sorry, but you played yourself. I don't know, bro. You played yourself. I apologize, but you played yourself. Like, that was silly. Like, hey, Patrick, look at my demo trade. I made $10,000. You suck. Whoa! Okay, you win. Cool. I'll go on TradingView real quick and make $100 million really quick. Let me do it. Watch me. I'll do it. Watch me do it. Like, this is so like, oh, I love it. It's the best. Anyone who hasn't seen on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. It's great. I would say I had the best Twitter on Twitter. Best Twitter on Twitter. But literally, fucking Inner Circle Trader literally posted this. So I posted this trade where I made $3,000 on the NASDAQ in, real money. And he responded with, I see your bet and I raise you ES shorts, where he's trading in a demo account. Like, bro, you played yourself. You played yourself. And the best part is, you know how I know he's full of shit? There's no audio on this, right? He fast forwards this. So what you do is, you just record two screens. You go long, you go short. Like, you're not talking through the trade, so like it's easy to do. You can easily record two screens and just at the end of it say, hey, I was right. Congratulations. Like, and then I responded, cool demo trade. Whee! Oh man. But yeah, if you guys haven't followed me on Twitter yet, we got we'll do a Twitter giveaway today. We got 1,000 likes. We get 1,000 likes on the stream. We'll do a Twitter giveaway here. Who wants it? What should we do? We'll do a Topstep $50,000 account giveaway. Who wants some? Who wants some? I thought this was pretty funny. I saw this morning. Little Kenny Powers. I play real sports, not trying to be the best at exercising. It's pretty much, like me, Todd, me and ICT. ICT is like really good at exercising, and I'm over here, kind of winning with the real buddy. But hey, not hating. I'm not hating, people. Or maybe I am. We got 1,000 likes. All right, we're doing a Topstep giveaway. What should be the game here? All right, I got it. All right. I got you guys. You're ready. I got a good one for it. I got a good one for you. Just get ready. Just stay tuned for a second. See, like, even right now, the NASDAQ got a bunch of liquidity down there at 45s now. 45 liquidity on the Bookmap there down there. It might want to take that 45 liquidity next. Oh my gosh. Does she run 45 liquidity here? Does she run it? Does she run it? Run it, run it, run it. Let's see. God. YouTube just sent me a thing saying, can you please do a questionnaire about your demographic? It says, help us review whether our system reflects unintentional bias. Like, oh God. Gonna hear the race card now. Oh, the reason that Patrick Wieland's good at YouTube is because he's white. That's the only reason. YouTube's bias. White privilege on YouTube. Oh my God. All right, I got the tweet. Are you guys ready? Do it fast because you gotta be like, literally, you gotta be one of the people to do it, like right now, right here. All right, I'll send, it's on my Twitter. I'll put the link here. All right, we're doing a Topstep giveaway, Topstep account giveaway. Go and comment, Patrick Wieland Topstep, the #1 fucking whatever. Just write something amazing about me and Topstep. Tag Topstep, tag me in the comment. Hit the like button as well. Hit the like button, leave a comment for a chance to win a $50,000 Topstep account. All right. All right. Market is ripped up there off that 50 level. Woof. Just ripped it. That 45 level was sitting down there. You saw they had like 3 levels sitting there liquidity wise. That 45 is still there, but she gone for now. Volume came in there. Maybe one more pushback up here. I don't know. Friday. You guys, your comments on fucking Twitter sometimes. I can't even read them sometimes. I guys gotta laugh at them. Trying to get me in trouble over here. Why is everyone always trying to get me in trouble? Right? I'm trying to make some money, man. Trying to make some money. I just want to have some fun on YouTube. I don't want to get in trouble. Oh, you're funny. How long do you have to wait until you get funded? Well, depends on when you get funded, I guess. Did you get funded? Did you get funded? Right now, Topstep, it's one rule, one goal. And the deals, guys, literally, like, I think right now I have, I'm an idiot, by the way, but I bought like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 Combine accounts that I'm just playing around in. Just for fun. I like didn't have them on the backup. Cause now I'm just gonna go cray. In the express fund, I just got a fucking 15 contracts, full port, every trade. Woo! Obviously, I'm not promoting. I'm not promoting that. You know. But just saying. I'll be out here getting crazy in the streets. It's Friday, baby. Fresh cash fucking Friday. Woo, buddy. You know what I'm going to have for lunch today? Double steak Chipotle bowl. I think this deal is until August, the end of August. So, I can't go 25 accounts. No, I want to do 45 accounts across 3. I want to do 45 contracts across 3 accounts. I really want to have like I want to make $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 on one trade. Like that's really like, I don't even care if I blow up or not. I just want to have that $50,000 day. I don't want to do it like live on YouTube. Maybe 100,000. Because what is that? If I trade, let's say I trade, what? That's 45 contracts. How much money would I need to make 100 grand on one trade? 45 times 20, 900. So we've got 100,000 divided by 900. We would need 111 point trade. I think it's doable. Nah, I don't need a swing. I think it's just one day when we get that big fucking setup, we get that big move, we'll get it. The 111 point move. I mean, the NQ does 100 point moves every day. No doubt about it. It's just gonna take that one day. So I want that $100,000 trade live on YouTube. It's going to happen. You're allowed to have one live funded account, and you can have 3 express funded accounts. So you can have a total of 4 accounts. And right now, with the combine being literally 70% off, I was like, why would I not just buy a bunch of combines at this point? Because if they're gonna raise the price back up, I might as well just fucking stock these bad boys up. I got like a fucking warehouse of combines. A warehouse, baby. I got a warehouse of combines here. I got a warehouse. Like this one, like I'm literally just like sitting on combines right now. Like this one right here. Got it up to almost 159,000. See, I got to figure out, what I need to figure out though is if I pass the combine, do I pay the monthly fee on the next month if I don't activate it? How long can I keep it activated? So it's almost like better for me to not pass the combine and just let it sit there. I'm not sure. And look at the NASDAQ ripping back up here. The ES still holding up. NASDAQ still holding up. Instead of taking profit, move your stop to where you would have taken profit and just let it ride. We already know exactly how that goes. If I move my stop to where I take profit at, I'm going to get stopped out either way. So it's going to have to be one of those days where we got a good setup, right? Like that's all it comes down to. We got to wait for one of those days where the market is just like fucking going straight up and it's all in 45 contracts. Fucking let's go. And you know, that's literally what it has to be. So, I mean, you don't have to do it for a few days. No, you just 100 points. You can do it in like 30 minutes. Yeah, so maybe it's better to not even pass the combine. I don't know. Just let them sit there at like $500 till passing. 50 contracts long on gold during CPI. I'm going to buy my Urus with only $1. Guys, best trade of my life, 100 grand. Went out and I bought a Lambo Urus. Yeah, buddy. Right now, I'm not trading. We're looking at the NASDAQ here. The NASDAQ kind of a double bottom down there up to the 607, 610s. Look at it ripping, breaking out of this kind of bear flag here. To the downside, a little double bottom. I told you, I just wasn't, I was wrong about this short earlier, but I just was not I wasn't 100% convinced. The ES was still holding up there on the 15-minute chart there at the VWAP areas, so. If the NASDAQ can get back above the VWAP, I think we'll squeeze some fucking shorts out here. So we're back up towards that VWAP to see what happens there. Let's see how we ride. If you're in the Market Flow Trader community, Sage is in there right now. They're live, making money. Let's go. Market Flow Trader community. What's going on today in the Market Flow Trader community? Oh, actually, we got big news. No, I don't know if it's big news, but we got some news. We got this new deal right now with, we got this new community indicator. It's actually really badass. One of our members actually wrote this for the community. So it basically includes the 15-minute opening range, got the trend lines, you got the market close gap on there, you got the yesterday high and low, the session overnight high and low, and then the 3 moving averages. So you get all this stuff. Obviously, you can go and figure all this out yourself, but it's free for Market Flow Trader members and community. So just another benefit of being in the best community on the planet. And we'll see what's going on. If you're in a Market Flow Trader community member and you're in the market chatter, let's see those P&Ls, baby. Who's got some P&Ls today? Who's making the money? You can see Revin talking about his long. He got long, called out this trade. Where's it at? Revin, Sage. Sage. Yeah, so somewhere in there. Okay. We got some P&Ls for the market flow trader community. We got this guy. Is this a guy or a girl? I think it's a girl. We got Mal with about $2,000 in profit there. We got Nathan locking in almost $5,000 there. We got Mario up $2,000 there. Got some booty shaking as well. Got Steve, $900 there. So, market flow trader community, it's $500 if you want to sign up for life. Pokemon, we're rowing, baby. We're rowing. We're live on YouTube. Thanks for that. Bunch of savages in there. All right. So we're just kind of sitting back here. We're either going to turn back down off this kind of trend line, or we're going to break through and try to test that VWAP again. I think I'm done trading for the day. Like I said earlier, if I make enough money in the first 30 minutes to walk away, I'm walking away. So I like it. Easy money. Oh, we do the giveaway now. Did you guys do the giveaway? Did you get your comments on there? We've been all together. People don't made of stars. Ooh. If you haven't already, hit that like button and leave a comment on this tweet for the $50,000 Topstep giveaway here. And we'll do the giveaway. Giveaway time. It's time for a giveaway. Giveaway. I'm hungry. I woke up this morning, I worked out, fucking put in the work this morning. We got on the computer, we made money fucking live on YouTube. I don't know. I don't know how else. How can I win any more at life right now? Living the dream, my friends. Big thank you for everyone tuning in, supporting the stream. Without you guys tuning in and watching, well, then I would just be another idiot on YouTube. So I do appreciate you guys for your support. I know sometimes I come off as like, oh, I don't really care, blah, blah, blah. But I do appreciate the people who do show up and support the stream and all that fun stuff. So I do, I love you guys. I love you guys, man. I love you. I love you guys. Here we go. You ready? Are you ready? Here we go. The winner. Mustafa 1293198. Mustafa. Are you in the chat? Let's see. Mustafa. Who the fuck is Mustafa? I don't know. It seems sketchy. Mustafa? That's you? You're the winner? Fuck! He's here! There literally is a Mustafa. Wow. Fucking Lion King up in here. Alright, we'll do one more. If you guys blow up, just, I don't know, fucking, just tell me how much you love me, I'll do it one more time. Let's do one more. Pick another winner. Alright. Mustafa, send me an @ on Twitter and I'll get your email, then I'll send you some money. Here we go. One more winner today for Fresh Cash Friday. Rodriguez Connect. Rodriguez Connect. Rodriguez, are you here? Rodriguez. Report. Rodriguez Connect. Report. That's you? Mario R? All right. Congratulations to the winners. Dumba Rich. Ooh, got banned real quick. People think that like they're gonna comment some shit and it's gonna like, and I'm gonna quit YouTube. Like, hey, the guy said I'm the worst trader on YouTube. Okay, I quit. I give up. How'd the 15-minute play out today? Let's see. Whole 15-minute. I think let's pull up this. Let me see if I can pull up the Patrick Wieland or the Market Flow Trader community thing real quick while we're here. Let's see how it looks. I didn't actually pull it up yet. I did pull it up actually, but I haven't really pulled it up yet. But I need to pull it up. Let me see. I'm moving to the country, gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. Hey! Wait, how do I get this thing up? Add to favorite indicators. Why is it not coming up? What the hell? Gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country. Gonna eat a lot of peaches. To the country. A lot of peaches. Why is it not coming up? Community scripts. Favorites. Where's the favorites at? Fuck. Crypto just short. Let's go. Favorite indicator list. Where the fuck is a favorite indicator list? Am I an idiot? Why am I an idiot? Why is this always so hard for me? Where is the favorite indicator list? Favorite indicator list. How do I know? I don't have it. Fuck. Shouldn't it be like here? I know, but it won't come up. My life. My life. My life. How do I refresh? How do I refresh trading view? Peaches for me. Millions of peaches. Peaches for free. Oh, we got it. We got it, boys. All right, so this is the new. Oh God, it's crazy. There's too much stuff on here. I gotta get rid of this one. So this is the new market flow trader community. So basically, we're gonna get the. We got a couple. I got all the EMAs on there. Let me get rid of some of these EMAs so we can just clean it up a little bit for here now. Oh yeah, style. We'll get rid of these for now, so we can see all the actually important levels. So we got the. It's kind of cool. Pretty clean looking, actually. Look at that 15-minute breakdown there on the NASDAQ today, paying the bills. Absolutely. I want to make this line a little thicker. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it. Let's make it yellow. Yellow. So there's your 15-minute opening range on the 15-minute chart. We go to the 1-minute chart and look, you'll see it comes across here beautifully. Look at that. Wow. Today, definitely paying the bills. Look at that as well. We got the gap from yesterday identified on the chart there. So, I mean, I'm not going to say it's the end all be all, but pretty cool. This is a community member actually made this script for the community. So, Market Flow Trader community. It's $500 to join for the lifetime, but pretty cool. Crypto is just short. You got a $3,000 drawdown, and yeah, I think there's some kind of issues there. So, yeah, just checking out the new Market Flow Trader community. We've got the pivot points on there. This is actually really nice. Like, I'm definitely going to have this for now on my charts. Especially that whole 15-minute opening range. Because look at how beautifully that played out this morning. I mean, it was like... Especially you got the breakdown, the retest, the move down to fill the gap. And then we retested it again, another move down. Yeah. Honestly, I think this is better than what I've had pulled up. I don't know. Very clean, very easy. And that gap fill there, so. The trend line indicator there. This is pretty fucking cool, man. Dude, this is what's so cool about when you have like a community. We got 800 members. And, you know, we got people that are that are doing cool shit like this. We got Cheryl, who's also normally in the live stream. She's been really productive in the community, helping out with newer traders. Like, it's really cool to have the community of traders. You know, people are basically sharing ideas. You got just a lot of info. You know, having 800 people who are all focused on getting to that point where they find consistency. They're trying to make money. They want to get to a point, you know, where they find consistency in their trading. Like, that's a really powerful thing. If you're looking to join up, like I said, it's $500 lifetime. How much money have you lost trading? Think about that. Like, how much money have you lost trading up to this point? You know, even after I get off of the live stream, Sage is literally in there all day. It's crazy. The guy never stops working for you guys. So seriously, I'm not going to sit here and like tell you that you got to sign up, you know, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to be that guy. But I do think if you're really looking for a community to change your overall trading, you're tired of losing, you're tired of not finding consistency, come check it out. I'm not going to promise you to be a millionaire, but I do think having a community of traders who are all focused on the same thing. Everyone's trading futures. A lot of people are in the Topstep combines. I've seen at this point, probably 100 or more members getting funded. So we got all the videos as well. It's not just a community, by the way. You got all the videos. You got all the stuff. I go through like my whole breakdown. I go through the mental. I go through the basics. Like, even if you're a new trader, you know, we talk about everything. We got all these different videos. You know, it's like the real deal. This is the real deal, baby. Like, you see, like, I've actually been, you know, I've been to the New York Stock Exchange. I've worked with the top brokers in the world. Every single broker in the world has tried to get me on their fucking books. All right. Everyone's trying to get me. There's a reason for that. It's not because I'm good looking. It's good. Well, maybe a little bit, but in general, we got all the stuff. I talk about all my breakdowns, the indicators. We talk about all this stuff. I show real trades. But I think, honestly, like, some of the best videos are just trying to talk about like things like this. You know, how do you trade overreactions? Like, what should you do when the market has a big sell-off and all these different moves? We talk about the emotion, the whole entire process. And then we have, you know, the community as well. And this is just popping off all day. Like I said, Sage is literally in there all day. The guy never stops working. I swear to God. He's doing phone calls. He's doing trades. He's fucking just nonstop in there making it happen. So there really is there's nothing better than having a community of people that are all focused, you know, on getting everybody kind of caught up and moved on. So the water's warm. Come jump in. Right now, the Market Flow Trader community indicator right now showing us that we're stuck there at that gap from earlier. That gap fills. So can you explain getting funded? What consists of from your professional experience? I mean, just having a strategy, just the emotion of it, right? Like, I work with traders who they'll be like, man, Patrick, you know, I was so close to getting funded and then I blew up. And I'm like, well, why'd you blow up? Like, well, I only needed to make $100 more profit. And then I bought at the top and I held a loser and then I blew up. I'm like, well, that's, you know, like, that's emotion. That's not like a trading issue. That's all that is. It's like, it's an emotional reaction. People get too focused on the profit. They get too focused on the P&L. They're too focused on like hitting that goal instead of just waiting for a good trade. Like yesterday, I told people, I'm like, look, one guy was like, I need to make $400 more to get funded. I'm like, just wait. There will be a good trade to come. There will be, like, think about it. Like, when you're trading futures, like, you don't need to pick the bottom. You don't need to pick the top. To make $400, like, to make $400, all you need is one solid move. One easy, solid move. So just like relax. You got all day. There's no rush. You know? Look at that. Keith J got funded. Waiting. Patience, my friends. Baseball dad everyone's getting fucking funded, baby. Woo! All right, I think I'm done, guys. I've had a lot of fun today. It's always fun. I look forward to I don't know why, but Fresh Cash Friday, it's a different vibe. You know, it's like the last day of the week. It's time to make money. There's only one goal. And that's what I did. I woke up this morning, I worked out, I did what I needed to do, I got on the fucking live stream, I made the money, we did it together. And, you know, look at that. Baseball dad, still doing the diet, holding steady at 190 pounds, down from 230. Let's go, baby. We're changing lives around here, not just making people rich. but we're actually changing fucking lives, baby. This is what it's really all about. At the end of the day, the money means nothing. If you can't fucking be healthy, you can't have the right mindset, who cares about the money? You got to come correct, people. Come correct. Come ready to make money. Come ready to get things done. Let's go. I'll see you guys next week, Monday morning. We're live here on YouTube. I'll leave the Bookmap open for a little bit for anybody who's sticking around. I think Sage will probably stick around for a little bit, but I'll put it on the ES just because I know Sage is looking at the ES here. Sage likes the ES. That's his thing. I do the NASDAQ. He does the ES. It's a great partnership here that we have. Great partnership. So there's the ES for now. So the ES just still kind of holding there at the VWAP. I think if the ES can hold at this level, she'll try to push through the highs again up there to the 80s. We'll see. But yeah, Sage is old. He just, the NASDAQ moves too quick for him. You know, he's like, nothing against old people, but you know, the NASDAQ's fucking volatile. It's crazy. It's like a wild fucking Broncan stallion. The ES is like an old bull that just keeps going. I don't know for sure, but I think Sage he just likes that nice steady move, not the crazy wild volatility. All right. So there's the ES up there with the 77s. I think she wants it. I would not be surprised to see the ES retest this high again later on today. So I'll see you guys later on. I'm totally fine walking away, taking my profits and enjoying the day. Like I said, if you want to learn more, the Market Flow Trader community is going on live the rest of the day. Sage is in there, all the action. So hopefully I'll see you guys there in the community later on today. If you haven't signed up for Topstep, you already know what to do. Right now, the 70% deal is going on, all that fun stuff. So big love, big support. Love you guys. I'll see you next Monday, 9:15 a.m. We're live every morning on the tube. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Peace to the Middle East.